Hello kids, today we will learn about prime numbers. So what are prime numbers? Prime numbers are those numbers which can be divided by 1 or themselves. So a number n is a prime number if it can be divided equally either by 1 or n itself. Okay, let's take an example of 2. 2 can be divided by 1 and 2 itself only equally. If I take 3, I can divide with 1 and 3. So 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number. If I take 4, if I divide it with 2, I'll get another 2. So means 4 by 2 is equal to 2. So 4 is divisible by some another number other than 1 and itself 4. So this is not a prime number. If I take 5, it can be divided by only 1 or 5. If I take 6, it can be divided by 2 or 3. So this is not a prime number. If I take 7, 7 can be divided by 1 and 7. So this is a prime number. If I take 8, it can be divided by 1, 2, 4 and 8. So it has some more factors. So this is not a prime numbers. So basically prime numbers are those numbers which can be divided by 1 or themselves equally. Okay. Now there are some more prime numbers. I can tell you, I'll give you the list. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and so on. So there are some, these are some prime numbers. Okay. Now the numbers which are not prime, what are they called? Like number 4 and number 6, number 8, they are called composite numbers. They are called composite numbers. They are not prime. Okay. Again, one thing you can observe, that 2 is the only even number which is a prime number. Okay. So what we can say, every even number as every even number is divisible by 2, so it has one more factor 2. Okay. So the only even number 2 is the prime number. Okay. Examples of co-prime composite numbers we can say as 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 15, so the numbers which are not prime numbers are called composite numbers. Now one is there another twin prime. So what are the twin prime numbers? Two prime numbers which have a gap of 2 are called twin prime numbers. Like we can say 3 and 5. Both are prime numbers and they have a gap of 2. So they are called twin prime. Same 5, 7. They are co-prime. Next 11, 13. As we can say 11 and 13, they have a gap of 2 and they are both are prime numbers. So this is a twin prime pair. Next we have co-prime numbers. So what are co-prime numbers? The two numbers which have only one common factor as 1 are called co-prime numbers. So let's say we have a number we have 15 and 28. Okay, 28. So what are the factors of 15? Factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. And what are the factors of 28? 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. So what is this? Factors of 15? 1, 3, 5, 15. Factors of 28? 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. As they have only this common factor to each other. Okay, no other factor is common. So they both are co-prime. So 15 and 28 are co-prime. So the numbers which have only one common factor as 1 are co-prime to each other. Okay, thank you.